good morning, good morning. Good morning guys. Siya nga pala guys, ito nga pala ang aking mga collection. So, sisimulan ko sa aking mga shoes. That's my shoes. So, may na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs of shoes. Yes, nakita nyo ba yan? Yan. At ito ang aking tambayan kung saan nagpapaganda ang lola mo. Yes, this is my tambayan. Yan. Um, yun. At ito ang aking mga collection, guys. Baka gusto nyong makita. Simple lang akong babae. Mahilig nga ako, guys, mangulikta. I love to collect clothes, shoes, and bag, and wallets. Yeah, that's me. I like ordinary girls. Yes. Yan. Ang aking bed, of course. I feel like, if I use aircon, I feel like I'm in the hotel somewhere. Somewhere out there. Yes. Ayun guys, ito ang aking kwarto. Kung saan kapag may insektong pumasok ay pinanggigigilan kong patayin gamit ang walis. I don't want to sleep that there's a cockroach, small lizard, the small lizard is over the bakod na, butike sa Tagalog. Yes, I want to kill insect before I sleep. Why? Because I don't want that, I sleep together with animals. Yes. Animals in zoo. I mean, insekto. Wala, guys. Ayun. Yun lang, guys. Ito, ang aking bahay, ang aking kwarto. Baka magtaka kayo, bakit komportable ako sa kwarto ko, sala, dining table. Kasi guys, sa dining, kasi guys, kapag malinis ang bahay mo, malinis ang kapaligiran mo, masarap magtambay. Hindi sa nagyayabang ako, guys. Ang akin lang, guys, ay sinasabi ko lang ang totoo. Baka sabihin nyo nagyayabang ako, no? Kung magyabang man ang tao, basta nakikita mong mayroon, why not, di ba? Hindi mayabang yun, guys. Ang tawag doon is katotohanan. Ayun. Dito ako nagtatambay, guys, kapag gusto ko mag-relax dito sa kwarto ko. At most of the time, guys, kwarto or sala. Yes. Ang aking, yes. Mga beauty secrets that I'm look like a clown later. Yun. Ayun. Ayan yung salamin ko. Salamin. Sabihin sa akin, sino ang magiging kapalaran ko at sino ang mas pangit sa akin? Mayroon pa, Rogelio. Joke lang. Ito guys, ayan. Diba ito favorite ko to kasi dati pa ako nangangarap na magkaroon ng ganito para yan, kung saan ako magme-makeup, yung ganon. At basta guys, matagal ko nang hinahunting to guys na magkaroon ako ng ganito. At kung kahoy kasi, alam mo yung not laminate kind of cabinets, it's easy to be broke. Nagkakaroon siya ng bukbok. Alam mo yung the small insects or small animals. I don't know. I'll never see that, how it's look, because they are hiding inside the tree, to the trees. If you have nubla po dance, cabinets, I mean, yes, it's look like that. You cannot see it, but it's gonna be broke because there's a powder of trees. It's falling down. It means that your furniture is gonna be broke soon. Ayun guys. I love to tambay in my own room. At most of the time, guys, if I feel sleepy, I go there to Nanay's house sometimes because I need to taking care of my boutique. But most of the time, daytime, I feel sleepy because I woke up around 5 or 4 o'clock. Gising na ako. At yun, dito ako nagtatambay lang. At feeling relaxing na relaxing ako sa paligid ko. Ayokong matulog na may insekto, no. Lalo na yung lamok, ay naku, pinanggigigilan ko yan kung paano ko mapatay. At, ayun guys, okay ba? Ito guys, ito. Yan, gawa ko yan. Ako nag-tent ng room ko. Diba ang ganda ng kulay, no? Tingnan mo, oh. Ano sis, ang ganda. Yung kwarto ko naman ay hindi naman talaga totally maliit. May ano din naman, may space din naman. Kasi di ba ang ano kasi na to, ang bed ko ay ano, king size bed. So malaki siya. Tapos ano, dati guys dito may ano ako, may walk-in closet. But the problems is it's broke after how many years. So I'm decide to to remove, and I will change my plan to have a walk-in closet in my shower room. Beside, it's a big space. There's a space for open cabinet only to put my things. You know, I have a lots of clothes that I need cabinet. Yeah, I want to have a walk-in closet there in my own bathroom. Walk-in closet with bathroom. Ayun yung plano ko. Ayun lang guys. Thank you nga pala sa inyo. Bye! God bless!